Hi, loves. My name is Marina Ruiz. People know me like Marina Brass for the fitness industry. And this is my channel. And let's go to the video now. You need to understand that until you don't change your energy, your life is not going to change. And people tell me that you say, Marina, that I need to know exactly what I want. Yes, you need to know exactly what you want. And the people say, I know exactly what I want and I don't get. Okay, you don't get because you know exactly what you want. You make your vision board. You make all the photos of the lives you want, but your energy is exactly the same. The people around is exactly the same. You do the same things, you go the same place, and you are the same person. Don't mind the things you want don't arrive yet. You need to change your energy. Before you get your things, the things you want, before the things you dream about it arrive to the 3D field, to here, you need to be on this frequency energy. When you want something and you really know what you want, and you put the vision board, the things you want, but you are complaining, you are not happy, you are sad, then you not go to get. Because when you want something that is something good, like new home or new job or freedom or money or whatever you want, if you are vibration in low frequency energy, like complaining, you don't forgive someone, that you feel anger or you feel like bad feelings in your life, or you are around to the same person, or you speak bad about others. When you are around people speak bad about others, or when you jealousy about someone and then you speak bad about this person, you never ever go to get all the things you want and all the photos you put on your vision board. Never. Because for you get all the things you want, you need to vibe here. You need to vibration on high frequency energy. You need to feel grateful already. You need to feel happy. You need to feel grateful before the things arrive. And then when you feel grateful, when you feel happy, when you feel like, when you vibration in love, in grateful, in gratitude, when you vibration here, you already get the things you want. Then it's when arrive the things, because you are vibration on this frequency energy. It's the same about the people appear in your life. You are complaining, or you are jealous person, or you speak bad about others. Someone that is here and is focused and in sell and in serve and doing sport and have healthy life and making money is not going to be with you, because you are in one energy and this person is in different energy. You cannot be with this person. When you vibration in low energy frequency, a low energy frequency, when you vibration down low, then all the person arrive to your life, all the events happen in your life, all the things you have in your life will be in low vibration, a low energy frequency. So will be no good things. If you want your life change, you need to close your eyes and think how I will feel when I will be here, when I will have this, when I will be this person. You need to be this person now before the things, material, or whatever you want in your life arrive. Because if you don't feel in that way, you never go to receive the things, because you are in different energy. We are energy. Everything is energy with a physical body. How I know how is my frequency energy? Because some people ask me, Marina, but I don't know if my energy frequency is low or my energy frequency is high. I don't understand about these things. How you know? Because your thoughts. But you know the problem, the 95% of the thoughts that is saying every day, you don't even know what thoughts you have, because the thoughts you have come from your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind was made, your mental pattern was made from 0 to 7 years old. All the programs you have in your computer is not from you. It's from your mother, from your father, from your granddad, from your school, from you. If you want to be you, If you want to make your own reality, if you want to create your own reality, if you want to make the life you want, you need to know what is in your program, what is in your computer, what is in your subconscious mind. Because you are not conscious of your subconscious mind. You are like a robot. Please, the first you have to do is be conscious of your subconscious thoughts. Because how is your frequency? The question everyone told me, how is my frequency? Is down, is low, is high? How I know? Because when you have a thought, you have emotion, you have a feeling. And this emotion and this feeling make a vibration. And that vibration that you emit will receive the same things, that vibration and the people vibration and event vibration in the same frequency, energy, low, high, whatever. And remember that until you don't change the energy, you don't change your life. Don't mind how many vision boards you do. Don't mind if you know exactly what you want. But if your energy is low because you are complaining or you are angry or you have resentment for someone or you don't forgive someone, your energy frequency vibration is really low. And then you never can get things that the frequency is really high. How you can frequency high? Vibe in love, vibration in love, vibration, forgive the people, forgive every person in your life. Because you know when you can be happy, when you understand that everything happened for a reason. Everything is perfect the way it happened. When something really, really, really bad happened in your life, please, please, please don't keep on this bad energy. Because if really something bad happened in your life and your frequency is very low, is very down, and then don't stay on this frequency, victim, sad, like angry, like resentment, whatever happened in your life. Say thank you, universe, thank you, God. Everything happened for a reason. Everything is perfect. I know this situation go take me to a better place. I know this happened in my life. It's because I need to learn something. Thank you, thank you, thank you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you, God. Everything is perfect. Everything happened for a reason. Put music that make your vibration go high. Go connect with the nature. Go connect with the sea. Go one place that make you feel like high vibration. Don't go around with people speak bad about others. Don't be looking internet all the time and then complaining about how is your life and how is the life of the others. Be the person you want to be now. Feel the way you will feel when you have all the things you want now. Vibration in love is the higher vibration. Love. When I say love, I not speak about relationships. I'm single now and I vibration in love every day. So forgive, vibration in love. Love you guys. See you soon. Ciao.